How to use Bissell Proheat PET. Bissell upright carpet cleaners are a heavy-duty carpet cleaner for at-home use. They are ideal for homes with lots of carpet, heavy traffic, and pets. The Bissell Proheat flooring and upholstery cleaner comes in a few different models, but they all operate similarly. Fill the tank with a cleaning solution and water, set your options, and clean your surface of choice. One of the key benefits of this equipment is its ability to heat the contents of the tank up to 25 degrees hotter than their starting temperature and then maintain that temperature during operation. This allows for deeper, more effective cleaning. For safety purposes, always have the machine turned off and unplugged when filling the tank. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to prepping your Bissell Proheat PET, cleaning your carpet, and changing the cleaner. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: carpet cleaning solution, hot water, pre-treating solution, sink. Method 1. Prepping your Bissell Proheat PET. Number 1. Pre-treat your carpet with a spray-on PET stain remover. This is best for discolored areas, heavy traffic areas, or noticeable pet stains or smells. Leave it to sit while you prep the machine. Number 2. Lift the handle from the water compartment. Lift the handle from the water compartment at the front of the Proheat cleaner. Pull up and take the container to your sink. Number 3. Pull the plastic lever on the back of the container and lift the top section out. You will see a hole in the bottom part where the hot water will go. Fill with very hot water and replace the top portion of the container. Make sure the plastic lever snaps shut. Replace the plastic container on the front of the machine and release the handle. Number 4. Remove the plastic solution container from the back of the carpet cleaner. Take the container to the sink. Pour in the solution or a mix of solution and hot water, according to the directions on the back of the cleaning solution bottle. Pay attention to the fill line. Replace it on the back of the machine. Number 5. Set the dial on the front of the machine. Set the dial on the front of the machine to floor cleaning rather than tools. Anytime you use an attachment, you need to change this setting. Number 6. Use the dial at the top of the machine. Use the dial at the top of the machine to set the intensity of your cleaning, such as rinse, normal cleaning, or heavy cleaning. Number 7. Remove all the furniture. Remove all the furniture from the carpet you are about to clean. Number 8. Plug in the machine and start at the area furthest away from you. Starting at the edges and working toward the door will ensure you don't tread on the newly cleaned carpet as it dries. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning your carpet. Number 1. Go to the first section of the carpet. You will work in small areas, cleaning several feet at a time. Turn on the power button and the heater button. The heater button helps the carpet dry faster. Number 2. Step on the small lever on the bottom left edge so that the cleaner reclines and you can push it. Identify the trigger on the handle. When you pull the trigger, cleaning solution is released. Number 3. Depress the trigger and push the cleaner forward. Depress the trigger and push the cleaner forward as far as you can comfortably reach. Keep the trigger pressed down and bring the cleaner back toward you. This is referred to as a wet pass. Number 4. Let the trigger go and make several dry passes. Let the trigger go and make several dry passes when the cleaner and water are not being used. Repeat until no more water is being pulled up. Number 5. Repeat the process. Repeat until the area of the carpet is cleaned. Number 6. Switch the dial to Tools to use the attachments to clean smaller areas. You will use the same general instructions with the brush as you would with the floor cleaner. Make a wet pass with the trigger depressed and then make several dry passes. Remember to change the dial to Floor Cleaner before you use the upright function again. Number 7. Allow the carpet to dry completely. Allow the carpet to dry completely before replacing furniture and walking on it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Changing the cleaner. Number 1. Pay close attention to the dirty water. Pay close attention to the dirty water in the front container on your Bissell cleaner. When it fills up, you will need to change it. Consider moving it to linoleum to reduce the chance that you will spill the dirty water on the carpet. Number 2. Turn the cleaner off. Lift the handle and remove the water basin. Pour the dirty water into the sink. Number 3. Refill the water basin with hot water. Check that you have enough solution to continue. You will change the water tank more frequently than the solution tank. You will need to change the water several times for larger cleaning jobs. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Prep your cleaner and change the water on an easy-to-clean surface, like a laminated kitchen floor. The containers drip when changed. 2. Pay attention for clumps of hair that gather as you clean your floors. Pet and human hair can become embedded in the fibers. Remove the clumps and throw them away as you find them. The carpet cleaner will not remove them. Warnings. 1. When using hydrogen peroxide on fabric or upholstery, remember to do a patch test. 2. Never use a brush to scrub the stains, as this will help the blood seep in the fabric. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.